Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download your data on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Whether you're thinking about taking a break from social media or want to safeguard your memories, downloading your Instagram data is a smart move. And in this video, I will show you how to do it, how to download your information, your data on Instagram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. You can log in into your Instagram account. Now you can tap on your profile. Tap on the three lines over here. You can go to Account Center. You can scroll down. You can see there is an option on account settings section. There is an option your information and permissions. You can tap on that. You can tap on download your information because we want to download our data. Your information includes things that you've shared, your activity, and things that Instagram collect. First, choose the information that you want to. Then, when your files are ready, Instagram can transfer them to another service, or you can download them to your device. You can tap on download or transfer information. You can choose how much information do you want. You can get all available information for your selected profile or choose specific information. For the example, I will choose all available information, include a complete copy of information for your selected profiles. You can choose if you want to download the information to device or transfer destination. I would choose download to device. I will download my information, my Instagram data on my device. Now you can tap on next. You can create files. You can choose the date range, last year, last week, or last month. And you can choose the email, the format, and the quality of the media. We'll choose on medium. Now you can tap on create files. Now your download information data is on progress and transfer need to finish before you can request a new download or transfer. You can wait until Instagram notify you when your information data is ready to download. So that is how to download your data on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.